Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video I just want to give you a quick look, a quick overview of what a custom audience is in Facebook, because you can really dive deep into custom audiences. In this video it's just going to be a quick look of the most basic way to use them, and we will dive in some other videos. So first off, what you should know is a custom audience at the most basic level is just a list of people that have previously visited your website or your product page. So Facebook is able to track every single person that clicks on your ad or visits your website and match them in Facebook, and then put them in a list for you that is literally automatically generated. So you've got your Facebook pixel on your website. You've copy and pasted it on there. Remember, Facebook is collecting all of this data for you, and you submit some ads. Everybody that clicks on your ad is going to be dropped into a custom audience that you can generate. And the best way to look at them is like an email list. You can't email them, but you can create ads and promote more ads to these people. The great part about custom audiences is you know exactly what type of people are in these audiences. You know what niche they're in, what product they create, what product they previously clicked on. So they become very, 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 very valuable, and they can help you increase your ROI. So there's two main types of custom audiences at the most basic level. The first type is product clickers or product visitors. So anybody in this custom audience, you know, clicked on a specific product. So let's say that you're advertising a nurse fob watch. Everybody that clicks on your ad, you know, clicked on an ad about a nurse watch, okay? So you know two things. One, they're a valuable customer because they're a clicker, and two, they're interested in something that has to do with nursing. So you can use this list to go back and retarget non-buyers, and also you can target this list with other similar products in the future. You've also got niche clickers. So you can create a custom audience of everybody that has ever visited your website and clicked on any nursing product, right? Or any other specific niche that you may be marketing. So now you have a custom audience of people that have shown an interest, clicked on your ad, visited your website, and gone and looked at nursing t-shirts or tactical flashlights, or I don't know, there's so many different things you could sell. Christian bracelets. And they're all organized, kind of like you would have an email list. And there's two main uses for these custom audiences. So the first one is you can retarget ads for a product that they clicked on that they didn't previously buy. So somebody visits your website, they look at a product for this nursing watch, something happens, they don't buy it. They were interested in buying it, otherwise they wouldn't have been on your website looking at that product. Something happened and interrupted them, and it made them, you know, not buy. Well, it's proven time and time again that if you show them an ad for the same product that they did not buy, that a lot of them will come back the second or third time and follow through with that purchase. I've seen upwards of 1,000% ROI on retargeting ads. So that's usually going to be retargeting product clickers. Remember the two main types of audiences? So you can create a custom audiences of everybody that clicked on your nursing watch, and you can retarget all of the non-buyers with that ad again and turn them into buyers. You've also have the ability to target past clickers and buyers with new relevant products. This is going to be more useful with your niche custom audiences. So everybody that's ever clicked on any product of yours that has to do with nursing, you know that you can, if you have another nursing product, a t-shirt with a quote, a coffee mug, a watch, whatever, anything that within that niche. Maybe it's a pen that looks like a little, I've seen these pens on AliExpress that look like a needle syringe. So a lot of nurses buy those. I've seen quite a few ads for them. Anyways, products that have to do with nursing. You can go back, and instead of having to target keywords and demographics and start from scratch, you can say, hey, these people in this custom audience have either clicked or purchased a product that had to do with nursing before. Therefore, if I target them again with a new product, they are highly likely to buy this other product because they bought a similar item before. So there's two main types and there's two main uses: product custom audiences, niche custom audiences. And you can use these for retargeting ads and, of course, testing out and marketing new and relevant, aka similar products. Let's go to Facebook real quick, and I'm going to show you where you can go to get started building a custom audience. All right, so here we are in our Facebook account, and this is a clean slate, brand new account. There's literally nothing in it. And when you log in, if you come up here to the bar that says Tools and you click that, there's going to be a menu that comes down, and the very first option is going to say Audiences. So let's click that. Okay, now once you click Audiences, they're going to give you three different options. Do you want to build a custom audience, a lookalike audience, or a saved audience? Right now we're talking about custom audiences. And let's read Facebook's definition. A custom audience allows you to connect with people who have already shown an interest in your business or product with custom audiences. You can create an audience from your customer contacts, your website traffic, or mobile apps. So like I was saying, we've mainly been talking about creating a custom audience from our website traffic. Anybody that's come to my website and clicked on the nurse watch, I can put them in their own custom audience. Anybody that's come to my website and clicked on a t-shirt with a nursing quote on it, I can put them into a custom audience. Anybody that's come into my website and clicked on anything that has to do with nursing, I can dump them all into one custom audience. So you're going to come over here to Tools, click on Audiences, and then you can hit this button that says Create a Custom Audience. Now, there's going to be an entire video on how to create a custom audience and exactly what you do to for the whole process. It takes like literally 30 seconds. So I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to allow you to just process this, and then we're going to actually create a custom audience in another video. All right, that's it. I'll see you on the next one.